That also filters into the sleep cycle. So like giving them the bath, coming out, reading a couple books,
He
then
knows
getting
it's
them to
time.
wind
Calm,
down.
calming down, ready to sleep.
Yeah. Eventually there's this thing called Nighttime Circus, like Nighty Night Circus on YouTube. It's an app, but someone filmed the app and recorded it and they put it up on YouTube, or they themselves did it. But it's like a really like this guy speaks in like a nice soft voice, and it's like all these animals going to sleep, and it's like a long thing that they just like say goodnight to the elephant, and then the elephant makes an elephant noise and then like goes to sleep. Say goodnight to the bear, and then when that happens, it lands is like rah, and then like the bear goes to sleep, and then the funniest thing now she's doing is the dog. So like say goodnight to the dog, and she goes oh 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 oh, oh,
Yeah. The
like that.
chopper bark, the chopper bark.
Yeah, she does all the animal noises. Is so funny. Like the first one she did was the pig. It was like she loved that. But then oh, I love the see these phases, the growth spurts. Like it was there one week and it was gone the next. She used to say she goes moo, and then she goes moo cow, moo cow, moo cow. And now that's gone. That's not there anymore. And
Oh,
she just goes like that. And I'm like, it's the cutest fucking thing.
yeah.
But now she's doing the same. She's like, ah, like the sheep. She's like,
she's, she's
it's
getting there.
it's so funny. We're gonna get into this later, but I just realized something like light done on Marblehead because I was doing research for growth spurts when you told me about it.
Yeah.
I didn't realize this. That did you ever realize that farm animals are all one syllable? Horse, sheep, cow, pig, one syllable, one syllable, one syllable. Not chicken, fuck that. But all the other ones, dog, fucking all that shit, right? All except for but most of them are one syllable.
For
Then
kids.
you get to dinosaurs, and this is what people you teach your kid dinosaurs or not, but then you think about dinosaurs, it's the next level. So you teach them barn animals, then you teach them dinosaurs, because guess what? Brachiosaurus, Tyrannosaurus Rex. Now you're talking multiple syllables. That's
Right.
the levels, dude. Level up. It's never
Gotcha.
been said before. I just realized it. I was like,
Never thought about that.
dude, that's how you do it. You go farm to dinosaurs, and there's a reason for it because the growth spurt that Alanis is on right now at 16 months is she's going to start putting compound words together. So it's not
Right.
just dog. She goes go dog, and the other thing that's trippy about it is the kids know the order. So she goes dog eat means the dog wants to eat. If she
Yeah.
goes eat dog means she wants to eat the dog, which she would never say, but the order indicates, and they know that, and kids will get the order right at this age. They'll get it right. They don't make that mistake. The way they phrase it, like she knows pee pee now. Like when the dog sits at the door to go take a pee, so she'll go dog pee pee, not pee pee dog. Like she
Right.
gets the order of it,
Right.
which is fucking trippy that they know that, but she doesn't know it's like a natural thing.
Yeah. Just that's the way she's learning it.
Yeah,
That's crazy. I never thought about that.
it's sometimes you realize these things, you're like, whoa, that's
And
fucking crazy.
there was an article saying that if your kids like dinosaurs, they end up being smarter.
100%. My little cousin Stella, that was raised by my aunt, genius, fucking top 5% in the world of. She's graduated college at 12 years old. That's not a lie. She literally went through USC and tutored kids who
Holy
were
shit.
college students. Vanessa, my mom's sister, fucking
Oh,
genius kid. She spoke 4 different languages.
what?
Yeah, she's nuts. She's like a scientist, and she's fucking like 13 right now. She's
That's
nuts.
insane.
She's insane. Like top of the top of the top of the top of the top. And but I'm kind of using a lot of the same methods. That's why I'm all about the baby Einstein and these videos and the sign language, because I don't think that the individual kid is necessarily special. I think it's what you do and put in front of the kid that gets them there. I think every kid is capable of that. And the
Right.
fact that we're all home now and not out and working because of the pandemic gives us such an advantage. So, I mean, Alanis counting to 10 in the kitchen did surprise me, but I'm also kind of not surprised because I ignore age labels. Like if it says like this toy is recommended for this age or this learning thing is for this age, fuck that shit. I ignore all the age stuff. If my baby knows it, my baby fucking knows it.
Right.
You got to ignore that shit and just put as much in front of your baby as they pop, because they're just gonna fucking soak that shit up, dude.
Right.
And it starts with that baby sign language. And I really mean it. It's the key to unlock all the rest because you get that communication going. And they know that when you tell them something, they have to listen, but then they can say something back. And that's the key, that they have a voice. You're giving them a voice before they have a voice. It's so huge. So huge.
All right. Yeah, I just gotta do it.
Changing time, dude. Start with changing time. And then you're giving the snacks, the little snacks he's eating, you'll eat. You want more? More. And when you don't give them more until they do it. And all of a sudden, they ain't getting that fucking snack. It's Pavlov's dog, dude. They ain't getting that snack until they do the more. And then
Gotcha.
they're going to do the more because they want the fucking snack. And then there you go. Boom, they learned it.
Right.
And then you're on to the next. And then you go all done and they get it. Okay, it's all done. No more.
All done.
And then they don't get as upset when things end.
Because
You
they know it.
It's so key to start. And like I said, it's so easy. You don't need a book. You just start with one. Start with one.
Right.
But it's
Yeah.
it's legit, dude.
I
You gotta do it.
gotta get on it.
You will though. I mean, it's already like the things that you're telling me about the way he's like paying attention to the Moana and like he's getting there, but there is a degree of like you've got to be the parent and you've got to be consistent with putting these things in front of them. At the end of the day, your baby can be as naturally gifted as you want, but
Right.
you don't want them to just pick up things as they come because they happen to come by chance. You want to put shit in front of them.
Right.
You know, I got these books. It's like physics for babies, literally, and it's like this ball has mass. This ball has more mass because it's bigger, and like I'm reading it to her, and she'll pay attention. She don't understand it yet, but I'm putting it in
She
front of her
will.
because you
She
don't know.
will.
Yeah, eventually
It'll come.
it'll come, but we'll see, we'll see.
Yeah.
And I don't want to put on pressure, dude. If she wants to be whatever the fuck she wants to do, if she wants to read books for the rest of her life and just live a humble life, fuck it, that's fine. But I don't want to not give her every opportunity
Right. Right.
to have these things. I don't know. I think I think I'm happy to be a dad. I think that's what it comes down to. I think I'm happy to be a dad and have somebody that I can fucking train.
Like Bill Burr says, you just gotta fucking throw them knowledge. If they retain it, they return it. And
Yeah, no, but that exactly what's the harm?
you just gotta
What-
play catch. You just gotta play catch.
What's the harm? And yeah, while you're playing catch, you're giving them life lessons.
Yeah.
You know?
Your fucking mother. I swear to God.
Yeah. Don't tip a whore. They're already too expensive, you know.
Yeah.
Always double wrap your willy. What my friend's mother used to say, she goes, don't be silly, put a rubber on your willy. It was like a whole joke on it, like something you don't want a baby. It was a whole nursery rhyme thing she used to say.
We'll circle back to it.
Well, we'll circle back. What's the cycle? Still don't got it.
God damn it. Text me when you get it.
Yeah.